Barbara Adams from Nanjing University. I often use articles in the China Daily. I was excited in December when the article about BYU Spectacular came out. I use this as a homework assignment for my students. They had to write a paragraph, and I'm going to share some of their comments. After reading this report, I have many thoughts and feelings. I was very touched after reading this article. What impressed me most is the key word, relationships. To be honest, before reading this passage, I had never imagined that even in a time when there were some strains between two governments, groups between BYU in the US and China could still keep such a close bond. I think it's precious and pure. In my opinion, trust played an important role. That was the secret of their long-lasting relationships. From this passage, we can definitely learn the secret of keeping a relationship. What we need to do is trust and respect others. Cultural exchanges can take many forms. When I'm in your class and listen to your life experiences, I see a life I have never felt and very difficult to imagine, which makes me want to experience it in the flesh. From this, I realize the cultural exchange is not all large scale or famous. I'd like to believe that these exchanges are merely sowing seeds of future friendship. The glorious development of China-U.S. relations will be realized in the hands of our generation. Long live U.S. and China friendship. What impressed me most is definitely the Moli Wo from the University Young Ambassadors singing group. That was the Jasmine Flower song. It's awesome. What moved me the most is the picture of the Young Ambassadors in the Red Tower Theater.